I'm gonna record just a little bit of the side of the town because oh, that was close. Listen. Jesus. God dang. Holy cow. That struck close. Goodness. There's a big one right there. Listen. Listen. Oh, listen. Woo! I don't know. This one's very electrified. These things are... Oh, Jesus! There's another one. Listen, 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 listen. Listen. Jeez. God, these things are getting massive. Holy cow. Holy cow, these things are striking close, dude. Whew. I hope nothing gets hit with these strikes, I'm telling you. God dang. Holy smoke. I'm telling you, these things are striking close. Jeez Louise. This is some of the closest strikes I've ever seen in my life. Whew. Bloody good night. There's a leaf. It's stuck. Anyway, back to the subject of the storm. That's this lightning is striking. Oh my freaking Jesus Christ! Bloody good night. That was right there. Oh, that was right freaking there. Oh my God. Oh my God. I think I need to back up. This is striking too close. That's the closest strike I've ever seen in my life. Oh my God. That hit right there. I bet you that hit something like a tree or something, because that looked close. Bloody good night. Oh my God, there's another one. Woo! These things are striking close, dude. See. Jesus. Whew. Good night. These striking close. There's where that last bolt occurred. Oh my God! Woo! Good night! Jeez, this is striking close. Jeez Louise. Oh man. I'm surprised nobody's lost power by now. Goodness gracious. Jeez, little freaking Louise. This is some of the closest strikes I've ever seen in my life. Whew. I think today's oh my God, another one. Listen, these are striking very close. Goes on to my east. Goodness. Whew. Jeez. Some of these strikes, I'm telling you, they're very, very, very close. Some of them have struck with less than a mile. In fact, almost a tenth of a mile, some of these strikes. Oh, another one. Jeez Louise, this stuff's striking close, I'm telling you. Woo-wee. God dang, I was surprised nobody's lost power. Our power's still on here. Gosh. I bet you're gonna lose power sooner or later with this one, because this is very, very electrifying. And I mean very electrifying. So electrifying that I might have to get out of here. God dang. I've never seen lightning strike this close before in my... Oh, there's another one. God almighty, this lightning's close. Oh my God. This is definitely a video worth YouTubing.